In this video, we will be exploring the world of women in tech careers. We will discuss various roles, required skills, and hear inspiring success stories from women who have made their mark in the tech industry. Software development is a crucial role in the tech industry. As a software developer, you will be responsible for designing, coding, and testing computer programs. You will work with different programming languages and frameworks to create innovative software solutions that solve complex problems. Data science is an emerging field that deals with extracting insights and valuable information from large data sets. As a data scientist, you will use statistical techniques, machine learning algorithms, and data visualization tools to analyze data and make data-driven decisions. This role is crucial in making sense of data and driving business strategies. User experience, UX. Design focuses on creating intuitive and user-friendly interfaces for digital products and services. As a UX designer, you will conduct user research, create wireframes and prototypes, and collaborate with cross-functional teams to ensure a seamless and enjoyable user experience. Your role is essential in shaping the overall user journey and improving user satisfaction. Now let's hear some inspiring success stories from women who have excelled in their tech careers. They have overcome challenges, shattered stereotypes, and made significant contributions to their respective fields. Their stories will inspire and motivate you to pursue a career in tech. In conclusion, women are making remarkable strides in the tech industry. They are breaking barriers and proving their capabilities across various roles, from software development to data science and UX design. If you are considering a career in tech, remember that your skills and passion matter more than your gender. Embrace the opportunities, continuously learn and grow, enjoying the ever-evolving world of tech.